Hey there, fellow investors. Are you ready to embark on a journey to financial independence? If so, you've come to the right place. In this YouTube video, we'll guide you through the exciting world of stock market investing. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the market or someone with some investment experience wanting to level up, this step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence you need to start investing in stocks. So, let's get started on this thrilling wealth-building adventure. Understanding the basics. Before diving into the world of stock market investing, it's essential to understand the basics. We'll start by explaining what stocks are and how they function. You'll learn about shares, which represent ownership in a company, and how buying and selling them in the stock market works. We'll also explore concepts such as market capitalization, stock exchanges, and the role of brokers. By grasping these fundamentals, you'll gain a solid understanding of how the stock market operates. Setting financial goals. Investing in stocks should align with your overall financial goals. In this section, we'll help you define your objectives and develop a clear vision for your investment journey. We'll discuss short-term and long-term goals. Whether it's saving for retirement, building an emergency fund, funding education, or achieving other milestones. By identifying your goals, you'll have a target to work towards and stay motivated throughout your investing journey. Assessing risk tolerance. Investing in stocks involves varying degrees of risk, and understanding your risk tolerance is crucial. We'll delve into the different risk profiles and help you assess your own comfort level. We'll explore factors such as age, financial stability, investment horizon, and personal preferences that influence your risk tolerance. By identifying your risk appetite, you'll be able to construct an investment strategy that aligns with your comfort level and financial goals. Researching stocks and industries. Successful stock market investing requires careful research. We'll guide you through the process of analyzing stocks and industries to identify potential investment opportunities. We'll discuss fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating a company's financial health, growth prospects, and competitive position. Additionally, we'll explore technical analysis, which focuses on price patterns and market trends. By combining these approaches, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of how to assess stocks and make informed investment decisions. Creating a diversified portfolio. Diversification is a key principle in investing. We'll emphasize the importance of building a diversified portfolio to mitigate risk and optimize returns. We'll discuss asset allocation, which involves spreading your investments across different types of assets such as stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles. Furthermore, we'll explore diversification across industries and sectors to minimize the impact of any single company or sector on your portfolio. By diversifying your investments, you'll enhance the stability and potential growth of your portfolio. Choosing an investment account. Selecting the right investment account is essential for efficient and cost-effective investing. We'll provide an overview of different types of accounts, including individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, such as IRAs, and tax-advantaged accounts. We'll discuss the features, benefits, and limitations of each account type, helping you make an informed decision based on your investment goals and tax considerations. Placing your first trade. Excitement builds as you're ready to make your first stock trade. We'll walk you through the process step by step, from opening an account with a reputable brokerage platform to executing your trade. We'll cover topics such as order types, market orders, limit orders, and the importance of setting realistic expectations. By gaining hands-on experience in placing trades, you'll build confidence and be ready to embark on your investing journey. Monitoring and managing your portfolio. Investing doesn't end with making trades. It requires ongoing monitoring and management. We'll discuss strategies for tracking the performance of your investments, evaluating your portfolio's asset allocation, and rebalancing when necessary. Additionally, we'll explore the importance of staying informed about market news, company updates, and economic trends that can impact your investments. By actively managing your portfolio, you'll be well positioned to adapt to changing market conditions and optimize your returns. Understanding investment strategies. In this section, we'll delve into different investment strategies commonly used in stock market investing. We'll discuss value investing, growth investing, dividend investing, and index fund investing. Each strategy has its own principles and objectives, and we'll explore the pros and cons of each approach. By understanding different investment strategies, you'll be able to align your investment approach with your goals and risk tolerance. Managing emotions and staying disciplined. Investing in stocks can evoke emotions such as fear, greed, and impatience. We'll provide tips and techniques to manage these emotions and stay disciplined in your investment journey. We'll discuss the importance of having a long-term perspective, avoiding impulsive decisions, and sticking to your investment plan. By mastering emotional intelligence in investing, you'll be able to make rational decisions and navigate market volatility with confidence. Congratulations! You've completed our comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to start investing in stocks. Armed with this knowledge, you're well equipped to make informed investment decisions and take control of your financial future. Remember, investing is a continuous learning process. So stay curious, seek additional resources, and adapt your strategies as needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who may benefit from it.